Okay, here's another pathway problem. We want to go from point A to point B. Same restrictions again, to the right and down. We want to know how many possible pathways we can come up with. All right, so let's go through that. From this point A to the next point or junction, we have one way to get there, and so as that to the end. And then the horizontal, the vertical one as well, coming down from point A to the next junction is one way, and there's another way as one. But to this point to get there are two possible ways. And then to this point here, there are three possible ways, because 1 and 2 is 3. Remember Pascal Triangle, same idea again. Two ways coming this way, one way to the horizontal, that's 3. So to this point here, that's 6 possible ways to get there. Now we're going to start going through the second diagram pathway. So going through horizontal, 6 way to get to that next junction, and so as to the end. Or vertically, same idea again. They're all 6, only 6 pathway coming down all the way. But then in between, see that point right there, there are 12 possible ways to get there. In between there is 18, because 12 this way, 6 this way. And to this point right there, we have 24, 6 plus 18. I think I got that right. Now here, 6 comes down all the way, so to this point here, you have to now include 6. 6 is coming this way, but there's 18 coming this way. So now you have 24 as well there. And then the final answer is when you have 24 and 24. So the next one is 24 and 24. Our final answer B will be 48. That's the number of the pathways that we have from point A to point